Hi everyone, it's Stephanie, the Blonde MD, and welcome back to my channel. We all know that social distancing, washing our hands, and not touching our face are very important at a time like this. But I'm going to give you 5 healthy habits that you can take into this pandemic and beyond to keep you and your family healthy and safe. So why don't you grab a cup of coffee or grab a cup of tea and let's get started. Number 1, healthy eating. Healthy eating is so important to prevent the consequences of long-term chronic diseases such as high blood pressure, diabetes, or high cholesterol. With the closure of non-essential businesses here in Canada and in probably most places of the world, as well as the launch of the stay-at-home movement in order to prevent the spread of coronavirus, healthy eating may seem a lot harder than it actually is. Also, not being able to go to the grocery store as often as we would like is definitely going to pose as a problem. However, I have a few things that I've been doing in order to maintain my healthy diet during this time. This includes stocking up on frozen vegetables. I love to have fresh vegetables, but that's not always an option right now. So I've been using these bags of frozen vegetables, frozen broccoli or a frozen mixed vegetable, that have been very healthy and can stay in the freezer for a long time, which makes it easier during this pandemic when I can't go to the grocery store as frequently. Another food that I like is canned foods, such as canned chicken broth, which can be used to make soup. Other things like chickpeas, which when I put them with shredded carrots and olive oil makes for a great source of protein and is also a delicious snack or as a side dish. Another food that I like to eat is pasta. And pasta can be served in so many ways with so many different sauces and can last a long time in your house. I like to have my pasta with olive oil and garlic. Sometimes pasta can get a bad rap, but it's all about moderation. A half a cup to 1 cup of pasta per serving is beneficial for you to maintain your energy level and nutrients. Number 2, staying active. It is so important to stay active, especially during this time while you're at home. According to the Hypertension Canada guidelines, in order to prevent high blood pressure or hypertension, you should be exercising at least 30 to 60 minutes of moderate dynamic exercise 4 to 7 times per week. Now, depending on where you live or depending on the bylaws of your area right now, that can be a bit difficult. But if you do have a home gym, including a treadmill or stationary bike, then you should definitely get on that and stay active during this time. If you don't have these things, then there is the possibility of going out for a walk while maintaining social distancing. Or if you have a computer at home, you can turn on YouTube and actually look for different exercise channels that can help you do some high-intensity aerobic exercise that can be done right in your home and can really help keep you moving during this time. Number 3, mindfulness. Mindfulness means being present in this moment without judging the situation. For example, here I am with you. I'm drinking this cup of coffee. I could feel the warmth of it between my hands. I could smell it. I am present right now in this situation. There are studies that show that mindfulness improves mood and helps reduce stress. And that is so important at this time where people have been laid off of their jobs or just having the overall stresses of being in their home and not being able to go anywhere. Being mindful will help you get through your day. A way of being mindful is also reducing your distractions in your daily life. And this can mean disconnecting from the world. You may already feel disconnected, but you're probably not. Put away your smartphone, shut off your TV, get rid of that negativity, for at least an hour a day will help improve your overall mood, your productivity, and will have you feeling a lot more healthy. Number 4, self-care. As the old saying goes, don't bring your work home with you. Well, during a pandemic, that may be very difficult to do if you have no choice but to work from home. You have to make sure that you don't bring that stressful environment into your home life. Do something for yourself that makes you happy. Depending on your interests, whether it is reading a good book or sitting outside on your porch or in your backyard and listening to the sounds of spring or having a home spa day, do something that you enjoy above and beyond your own work that will make you happy. Number 5, find ways to bring more positivity into your life. When we're in a good mood, we're more proactive. We're able to get things done, we're able to feel more creative, and we're able to have a better outlook on our lives. When we're in a bad mood, we become more closed up, more negative, and more sluggish. We become more reactive to even negative situations around us, and this can have negative consequences on our health. Being positive is so important, especially during a negative situation, but sometimes it can be difficult to achieve. An exercise that I like to do is something called a positivity journal. And this is where I actually write in this notebook every evening about my day. I write all the positive things that happened, and even if it wasn't a very good day, I write all the things that I'm grateful for, and I try to find the good in every day. Afterwards, I use this as a bank of positivity to help me when I'm feeling down or when I'm feeling sad, and it really helps bring up my mood and bring up my overall positivity and my overall outlook on life. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these habits helpful, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on the next one. And remember, stay healthy and be happy.